Hello and welcome in this course of Linux, Unix, Shell and Shell script. I am Nilesh Godhani. I am working in field of computer programming since last 15 years. Throughout my career I have mostly used Linux and Unix kind of operating systems. Now I think that's enough about me. So let's move to a course overview. So in first chapter of the course, I give you detailed introduction of shell and shell process where you learn about the type of shell and shell configs. So primary focus of first chapter remains on a shell. In, in the next chapter, I explain you various purpose of the shell and shell script. Further, we will jump into the practical session. So in the first practical session, I'll give you introduction about subbing, variables into shell script, command line arguments, and shell functions. And then further in a next practical session, we'll go more in detail where we learn synchronous and asynchronous command execution, shell special variables, and then shell script exit status and looping and conditional constructs where we'll learn about the shell language provided conditional and looping constructs like for loop, while, then if, and case based conditional statements. With this introduction, I think let's move to first chapter now. Thank you.